Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Bigo Live Mod that gives you unlimited diamonds, so it's super cool. So as you can see right now, I got 14,000, but I'm going to get some more with this modded version, bro. It's so cool. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it onto your device. So I'm going to turn on unlimited coins, and they should start to go up. So let's see if they go up. So this is so cool. Let's see. Yeah, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It works on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial, guys, if you want to get free diamonds on the Bigo Live. So first thing we got to do is go to the browser, and we're just going to go onto, I believe it's hexmods.com. And type in Bigo Live, and then you see Bigo Live Mod. So go ahead and press on it, press the download button, and then it will start to download. So before we download it, we do have to do a verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're completely for free from the official store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. So as you can see, it says please complete the app. So just download 2 of them, just press on it. See you later. But yeah, so TikTok, downstall, run for 3 days. Misplay, downstall, play 4 games, 5 minutes. So just do a couple of them, guys. There is a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how to get Bigo Live Mod, unlimited diamonds. We've also got VIP, skip ads, so it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, and it fully works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is insane, bro. Because I'm like daily hunting for Bigo Live mods, and this is the best one. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe. Just make sure you do the verification right. You download the 2 apps, and you should be good to go. So I'm going to see you later. But yeah, definitely go ahead and like subscribe and everything. And peace out, bro.